A report from South Korea indicates something very interesting about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra new sensors, and it is related to Galaxy history, and Samsung is going to change the name of a sensor and will add something new in it, which means something different. It's been years since Samsung started naming their sensor with ISO branding, started back with Galaxy S5, but a recent report from South Korea confirmed that Samsung applied for a new trademark with the exynos branding with KIPSRIS, Korean Intellectual Property Rights Information Service. So there is not much said in this report, but Samsung did this just before the launch of Galaxy S23 Ultra, so chances are that you will see this branding in the Galaxy S24 or later. But a feature on the Galaxy S23 Ultra sensor shift stabilization, maybe Samsung changed the name by adding this feature, so it is unclear, but chances are there it is confirmed and we are going to get some new sensor from Samsung. Let me know in the comments, are you guys happy with the design of Galaxy S23 Ultra? And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. The design renders of Galaxy S23 Ultra is here and it is really good. Although it looks exactly like the S22 Ultra, but the sides are a bit thicker and sides are more squared off instead of rounded edges, and the display is a bit flatter than the S22 Ultra. With the side thickness, chances are that we are going to get a better cooling system in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The firmware of Galaxy S23 lineup is also in making, and you guys should be happy since we are going to get One UI 5.1 instead of One UI 5.0 in Galaxy S23 Ultra. And a good news for the next year flagship devices, as Samsung is going to collab with Google to give quick OS updates to Galaxy devices. And as per reports, by the end of next year, every supported Galaxy device will get Android 14 update. Finally, the new Snapdragon Gen 2 Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra could be the fastest phone of next year, beating a 16 Bionic chipset in Geekbench and GPU performance. For those who don't know, Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with a special edition Snapdragon Gen 2, which will be overclocked at 3.36 GHz instead of 3.19. And with the overclocked CPU, we are also getting an overclocked GPU 719 MHz instead of 680 MHz on a normal Snapdragon Gen 2, which brings some of the big improvements over the last year. With 40% power efficiency and 45% GPU power efficiency brings some of the big numbers in battery of Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung is on its way to launch Galaxy S23 Ultra in the first week of Feb with a great PR deals, and phones will hit the market on 17th of Feb. If you guys want to see the real 200MP shot of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then you guys should check this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.